you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have silver swag for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so July's silver swag box for 2022 just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the July box. You guys know I'm loving this box more and more, so I'm super excited to see what the theme is going to be this month. I love to see their themes, and they stick to those themes throughout the entire box, and I think it's so neat. So, silver swag box. It says, hello, July. And when we remove the sticker, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. Okay, so right on top you have two cards. One of them is going to go over the products inside of the box, and one of them is going to be your conversation starter. I really like that. They give you a stay connected card, then gives you talking points. So you can either use these talking points to talk to a friend or family member. If you go to doctor's appointments, waiting in the waiting room, the bus stop, that kind of thing, it gives you something to talk about, and it always goes with the theme. So this month's theme is going to be beach day. It says sunshine, sand, salty air, and the sounds of the waves crashing on the shore. There's nothing quite like summer days spent at the beach. So it says, do you enjoy going to the beach? And why? I do, but I don't like going in the water. Once I was younger, I was sucked under by an undertow. I thought I was going to die, and I told myself I'm never going in the water again. Then I did, and another person, I was on a boogie board, my cousin was on a boogie board, and our waves collided. He landed on top of me, I lost my air, I thought I was gonna die again. So I'm like, I'm done. I'm not gonna do 3 times the charm. But sitting on the water and just staring at the water is like, that's my happy place. I'll walk with my feet in the water, but my body ain't getting in the water anymore. When was the last time you went to the beach? Oh, it's been a very long time. Overdue, let me tell you. Where did you go and who are you with? We always go to Carlsbad, and I'm always with my family. What is your favorite beach activity? If you could spend your summer anywhere, where would it be and why? What is your favorite summertime memory? Always going to the beach with my family. Would you rather swim at the ocean or hang out and chill on the beach? Hang out and chill on the beach. But it's just, again, it's just really neat conversation starters to get you to start talking to somebody, and it all goes with the theme, and I love that. So this one is going to go over what's inside, so I'll put that one right here so we can see it as we pick things out. So let's go ahead and just start diving in. The first thing that I'm seeing has flamingos on it. Those always remind me of my mom and my aunt when I see flamingos. So it always just like, it's a comforting thing to me. This one, I'm not sure if it's going to be sent at random with like the design, but this is a 12-ounce stubby can pocket handler. Dress your drink up, it says. And there are flamingos. And then it even has like a little holder back here. So literally you can stick your hand in there and you can hold it. I've never seen that before. That's really neat. So this says 12-ounce can holder. Keep your drink cold and your hands dry with the only drink koozie with a handle, plus built-in pocket for small essentials. So I'm not wrong. I've never seen one with a handle before, but now you can get it in this box. And it says that there's a small pocket even. Maybe it's in the handle, like maybe you can put something in there, or maybe it's inside of it. But it says there's a little pocket too, so that is really neat. Very colorful, very summery, very cute. So it's by Lit Handlers. Now we have this, and I love these colors with the teal. This says Flip Flop Foot Repair, Eucalyptus Mint Essential Oil, and then there's a lip balm by Pure Factory Naturals. Keep your lips soft and your feet flip-flop ready with this all-natural duo. Let's open it up. Gluten-free, paraben-free, the perfect moisturizer and foot moisturizer all in one. And I like that, I mean, I love those colors. It says show your toes. So you have like this big balm that you roll up like a deodorant style that you can put around your feet. That is really good, especially right now in the summer We all want to have our feet out and airing our feet out. So it's sandal ready to help your feet get nice and moisturized. And then here is the lip balm. And I like that it matches. Same colors, same scent. They're like a little matching duo set. Super cute. Smells like eucalyptus and mint. Definitely eucalyptus and mint. It feels good. It smells good. And that's really neat. That is a 2 little duo set. Now we have, it says waterproof. Ooh, waterproof dry decks playing cards. That is really neat because if you are at the poolside, lakeside, beachside, or if you're just out in the sun and you spill a drink or you're sweating and it gets wet, your cards are not going to get messed up because they are waterproof. And they're really cute with the little flip-flops all over. Love the colors. Oh my goodness. I've never seen waterproof playing cards. It says dry decks playing cards made from 100% recycled plastic. These waterproof playing cards won't stick together and are easy to clean. That is really neat. I'm telling you, this box thinks of everything and they stick to their themes. All right, let's get this opened. My little mint eucalyptus still tastes really good and smells good. Of course, I love the colors. So all of them have the little flip-flop backs. And then here is this. So they're all waterproof, wipeable proof, all of that good stuff. So these definitely could stay in your beach bag, your poolside bag, anything like that, or toss them in your car whenever you're out and about and you just want to play some card games. You have them and then you don't have to worry about them getting messed up if you're near water or if anything spills on them. That is so cool. I'm telling you, they think of everything. Okay, so this I'm going to probably give to my man. I've never been a fan of dates myself, but that is a good thing. If you ever receive something that's not quite for you, you can always pass them to another, share them, gift them, that kind of thing. It's a pitted date, always fresh, never dried. And this one here says, feed your sweet tooth with a nutritious, fresh fruit. You'll fall in after the 3rd date. After the 3rd date. That is so cute. Again, I will have my man eat these because I'm sure he will love them. I'm a texture person and a visual person, and to me those just there's just something about dates that just they just don't look, I don't know, there's just something about them. But I know he will definitely enjoy those. So there's that, because you always get some kind of like a little treat in here. Ooh, I see a bigger treat in here though. This is Carolina kettle cooked potato chips with sea salt. Ooh, that sounds really good. These Outer Banks kettle chips are lightly sprinkled with natural sea salt. Ooh, yum. That'd be really good. Get this with some lemonade. I'll have a little snack for later. That sounds nice and refreshing. Ooh, wait, maybe they have me covered with my drink. Hold on. Maybe they have me covered with my drink. Okay, these are all by Propel. And there's 0 sugar with electrolytes. One says black cherry, one says grape, and one says watermelon. Okay, so they have me with my drink. Plus these have the electrolytes, which is really, really good in this heat, humidity, to keep us hydrated. Electrolytes are really, really good. So you have these 3 right here, and it says Propel Drink Mix. Stay hydrated on hot, sunny days. Just add to a bottle of water and shake. And there's 3 different flavors. That is so cool. And then it looks like the last item is down inside of here, and that is going to be a beach towel. Super, super bright. Let's get this opened. The colors are so summery. You can always use some type of a towel. It doesn't have to be a beach towel. If you have spill up in aisle kitchen, you can always run and grab a towel that, you know, can clean up your mess. But look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm loving these colors. Look at this. Hold on. Towels are always good, just even to toss one in your car. You never know when you might need one. But this is so tropical. So pretty, and I love all of those colors. And again, I don't know if this is going to be sent at random with the different colors or a different design, but this is super summery, and I love these colors. Oh my goodness. So this one right here says Vive plus Lou beach towel. Take this cotton towel to the lake, beach, or pool, wherever your summer adventures takes you. It's 60 inches long by 30 inches high. So 60 by 30. Large, definitely, and it's so pretty. I love it. So that is everything that came in the July box. Super summer themed for sure. What was the summer bound, beach bound? What are we? Because that's definitely it. Beach day. They are definitely giving you a beach day. You have your towel for when you go to the beach or the lake or the pool, or again, for anything. You have your snack. You have some waterproof playing cards, which that is super neat. You have feet ready and lip ready moisture. 3 Propel with electrolytes to keep you hydrated. You have the koozie to keep your drink cool with the handy dandy handle. And you have these chips. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this July box. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of the theme? What do you think of the items that they put inside? They are killing it every single month yet again. Oh my goodness gracious. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you $15 off your very first box. An amazing deal. Send love, stay connected. Their mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. Each month, the box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Boxes include activities, daily use personal care items, conversation cards, and more. So to choose your plan, you will be able to customize your dietary preferences on your order confirmation page, which is amazing because that is something that they do take into consideration and not a lot of companies do. So you get to put your dietary options when you do select your plan. So month to month is $49.99 with free US shipping. And this box is large and in charge, and you get free shipping on top of that. So that's awesome. If you do a 6-month plan, you bring your box price down to $47.49, and then you get a free mystery box worth $49.99 on top of it, plus the free US shipping. If you go to a 12-month plan, you still get your free US shipping. You get the free mystery box, but you get an additional magnetic easel with your order, and that is a combination of $71.99 value in addition to the box being as low as $44.99 going to the 12-month plan. Orders placed between the 1st and the 10th will receive the current box, and orders received after the 10th will receive next month's box. They also include a personalized note, so if you are giving this to a friend or a loved one as a gift item, the card will be right on top, so the first thing that they will see when they open it up, they will know who it came from, and they will know who sent them this nice surprise. So that is everything for this particular box. Again, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of Silver Swag? What do you think of this theme? I think they are killing it 100%, but let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.